Hello friends, my name is Chirag Khatri and welcome to my channel Learn and Share. Today we are going to learn about how to create a jQuery accordion for a web page with the few lines of the code. This is the final result of the tutorial we are going to code. So when user click on the any titles, it will open a menu like this way. For this tutorial we are using the jQuery. It's very simple and very easy. So before start the programming, let me explain to you the flow of the code and logic to develop the accordion. As you can see in the image, the green area is the main container of the web page where the accordion is going to code. Within the main container, we will create a number of accordion sections and each section divided in two parts. One is for the heading or the title of the accordion and second part of the information about the section. The important part of the code structure is that all title will have the same class name like section title and all description text will have the same class like section-text. By default, the description of the all section which has a class section-text will be hidden at the initial time. When a user clicks to any of the heading, first we will hide the last open description by taking the reference of the common class like section-title. Next, we will add the active class to the click container to change the right icon of expanding or collapse. After that, by taking the reference of the click heading, we will find the text description section and make it visible. I hope you are clear on the programming logic and the flow. Now let's start the code part so you will get the complete idea about it. It is very easy and so simple. Let's start with the blank document and create a container for the accordion. Class is equal to container. Now we have to create a multiple section for the accordion. So first one is a div class equal to info container. So info container. So as you know, all accordions are divided in two sections. First one is title. So let's div class section title and give the title heading 1. Let's add the span tag to show the plus and minus icon there. So this is the first section and second is a div class and section text. Let me use p tag and add some dummy text here. So this is our first accordion menu section. Let's copy for multiple times. Let me change the title. Let's see the preview of this basic informations. Now you can see it shows like a heading and some text without any formatting. So let me add some styles so it look better. To the header part, let's add style tag. Let's add background color to the body. Container. Let's set the width 800 pixel. Margin 0 auto. So it will display in the center of the screen. Now let's add some code for the info content. Let's some heading 5 pixels from the top and 0 from the right side. Background color white. Let's add some shadow. Box shadow 0 2 pixel to the right side, bottom side 5 pixel, and from left there is a no shadow and 0 from the left side. Color RGB black color 0 0 0 and set some opacity. Add border radius 5 pixel, margin 8 pixel, 10 pixel, 8 pixel from top and bottom and 10 pixel from left and right. And let's set text color gray. Let's add 10 pixel. Now it looks better. Now add for the title, section title. So let's section title, font size 22 pixel, display block, padding 5 pixel from top, 0. Let's add line height 35 pixel, cursor like a pointer, so it will show the hand icon when we mouse over to the title, and position relative. Next, display none, border top 1 pixel solid and light gray color, padding 0 pixel on top side, font size 14 pixel, color dark gray. All the description are hide now. Now we have to show the icons to the right side of the each heading like plus minus. So first let's assign the class content status. So info content, section title and content text. We are using the after. So after the span tag we are showing the icons there. First position, absolute position from the right side around 20 pixel, from the top side maybe 5 pixel. Use the property content plus sign. Let's save and check the preview. Now you can see plus sign is there. Because we have added the class for the first sections, it's not so for the other. Let's add for the rest of sections. Copy and paste. Let's save and check the preview. Now it is available for all the sections. But we need to change the icons when click on the heading. So let's add the class for it. When click on any heading, we are going to add or remove a class like active. So let's add a class active and create a class active and only change the content. We can use CSS entity like /2012, which is for the long dash sign. Now you can see it looks better. Let's use the Google Fonts for the better formatting. Let's find two types of the fonts for our tutorial, one for the title and one for the description. Let's select Roboto. select style, go to back, let's select Open Sans, select style. Now click on the embed. You will get the URL of the CSS file to use the font. Let's copy, paste here. To use the font, you have to use this font family. Let's for use the title, section title, and this one for the description. Let's save and check the preview. It looks better now. The last thing is to include jQuery library. So go to the code.jquery.com and use the Minify version of the latest version. Just copy the code and paste to the header. Now let's do the code to open the accordion menu when we click on it. So let's add script tag, script. Now start with the document dot ready and add our custom functions. The code between this section only be executed once document is ready. So first let's highlight ready, so we can check whether our code is working or not. Let's refresh. Now you can see it shows the message ready. It means our jQuery library is set up properly. Let me remove the class active. Now we have to attach an event to the section title to open the details. So take the reference of the class section title and attach a click event. So first we have to remove the active class from the all title and hide the all open descriptions. So section title dot remove class active. So it will check the all section titles and remove the active class if it is there. Sorry. Now we have to close the all description. So for that, dot section text slide up. This two line of the code is general for the all sections. Now we have to open the description of the clip sections. So we have to use $this dot add class active and this dot parent. So when we click here, it will go to the parent like this here, info content dot find the section text dot section text dot slide down. Let's save and check the preview. Let's click on heading 1. Now you can see it's load here. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Now it's working fine, and you can also see the icon is all changed. But what happens if I click on the same heading twice, like heading 1, As you can see, it's not going to close and keep going to open. So let's fix this. So for that, first we have to check if this, it means clicked object, has class active, then do something, and else do something. So let's move this part to the else part. Okay, now what we are going to check is if the menu is already open, we have to close it and remove the active class. So let's copy these two lines of the code and paste here. We have to remove and slide up. Let's save and check the preview. Let's click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's working fine. Now click on 1, again 1, 2, again 2, 4, 5, 2, again 2, 4, again 4. So it's working fine. Let me give you some bonus tips on this accordion menu. What if you want to keep open all the sections when you click on the title and don't want to close until you click on again? So go to the code and comment this two line of the code and let's check the preview. Click on 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can keep open all the sections at the time. You can close the section by do another click. So friends, here I have tried my best to explain the code and tutorial as easy as possible. Thank you.